Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, dear student? Hope you are well. I am your computer teacher for class 9 from IYS school. Today our topic is early computing machine and their inventor. So we are going to learn about the unit introduction to computer. Now I have shared some instruction. Don't raise hand during the lecture. Ask question at the end of the lecture in chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for the computer. Fill your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. Home task should be done in your fair copy uh, of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to join again with 5 to 10 minutes. Don't turn on your video during the lecture. Okay, now uh, first we start the unit 1 text, see the textbook page number 4 to 10. Early computing machine and their invention. First is abacus. It is a Latin word derived from the Greek word "abax", which means a calculating table. It is our first mechanical calculating device. It is used for addition, subtraction, and counting. It is also known as counting pen. Its invention was 3rd century in China. Types of abacus. There are three types of abacus: Chinese abacus, Japanese abacus, modern abacus. The history of computer starts out about 5 years ago with the birth of the abacus. It is a wooden rock holding horizontal wires with beads strung on them. When these beads are moved around according to programming rules memorized by the user, all regular arithmetic problems can be done. Okay, how can we use the abacus? We see the box that is called frame. We are divided into two parts: upper part is and lower part. And you see the center of the line, that is the horizontal bar. You see the some roads, that is called roads. You see the upper dex, each bridge value is equal to 5, and one and lower bits is each bit value is 1. uh, Unit, it is used for unit, 10, 100, 1000. uh, uh, One bit is one unit, and second 1 unit, and third 1 unit, and fourth. So that is called upper. We has that is called 2 bits and 4 bits. Okay, how can we calculate the abacus? You see the 100 plus 441 equals to 141. How can we add the value? Okay, 100 means one beat, second beat, third beat, fourth beat. ओके, इनमें से जो एक बीट जो है इसको हम फुल ले जाएंगे. दैट मीन इट इज 100. एंड फोर फोर मीन 10. 10 यूनिट, इसमें से एक बीट हम फुल ले जाएंगे, तो इसका मतलब हुआ कि 4. एंड 1 यूनिट, यूनिट मीन्स वंस, तो 1 वैल्यू इसको ऊपर ले जाएंगे, तो इसका मतलब हुआ 41. 100 plus 41 equals to 141. Okay, you see the second screen. uh, one means ones, 10 means tens, and 100 means hundreds, and 1000 means thousand, 10,000 lakhs. Understand? And upper is 5, 50, 500, 5,000, 50,000, and 5 flags. Okay. Now we have start the Napier bonds. How can Napier bonds? John Napier was a Scottish mathematician. He created a logarithm table to the facilitate calculation. He also created a device known as the Napier bonds. It was designed into the 1612. It was made up of the rod or stick with numbers marked on them. It was used for addition, subtraction, and divisions. How can we add and subtract and the division of the Napier bonds? You have seen the screen. You have seen the screen. Uh, First question is 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 1, 2, 8. Upper value is 4, 5, and 6. And lower value is 1, 2, and 8. Okay. We have multiplied for the 6. 6 1 the 6. 6 is a unit and 0 is a 10. Okay. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 to the 12. 12 means 1 unit and 2 unit and 1 10. And then 6 multiplied by 8. 6 is a 48. Okay. So unit 8 and the upper value is 4. Okay. Then next value 5. 5 multiplied by 1. 5 1 the 5. Unit is 5 and 10 is 0. And 5 multiplied by 2. 5 to the 10. 0 is a unit and 1 is a 10. And 5 multiplied by 8. 5 is a 40. 0 means a unit and 4 is a 10. Then we have multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 1 is 4. 4 is a unit and 0 is a 10. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2 is 8. 8 is a unit and 0 is a 10. 4 multiplied by 8. 4 8 is 32. 4 8 is 32. 2 is a unit and 3 is a 10. Okay. We have add the value and the cross. आप देख रहे हैं क्रॉस में इसको जो है आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है लाइन से यूं. हाँ 8 8 क्रॉस में आपको 8 ही नजर आ रहा है, कोई और वैल्यू से साथ ही तो 8 ही है. इसको देखिए 4 0 2 4 0 4 2 4 plus 2 6. Okay. 6 1 7 7 4 11 11 2 13 13 1 carry है. ठीक है. 0 5 5 and 1 6 6 and 8 14 14 and 3 17 17 1 carry 18 18 the 8 1 carry. Okay. 0 4 4 0 4 and carry 1 4 plus 1 5. Okay. Or 0 0. ठीक है. Okay. Now your answer is 0 5 8 3 6 8. Okay. You have calculated the value 4 5 6 multiplied by 1 to 8. Answer is 0 5 8 3 6 8. Okay. Now we will start the next value. Next slide rule. Slide rule was invented by the William Author in 1622. A manual device used for calculating that consists in its simple form of a ruler. and a movable model piece. A slide rule, also known as a slide ruler, is an extremely complex ruler that functions as an analog computer by sliding various components of the ruler to align with each other. A slide, a slide rule can complete products, rules, logarithms, and the result of trigonometry function. How can he it supported calculation? It is used for logarithm, multiply, trigonometry, division purpose to serve an mechanical analog computer. Uh, Need material option. We use the board, aluminum, plastic material. Components of the slide rule, scale ruler, and cursor. Application finance, we use the finance, science, and engineering. Okay. Next is next is Pascal line. Pascal line calculator. Pascal calculator is a calculator invented by the Blaise Pascal in the early 17th century. And the first operating model called a numerical wheel calculator was introduced in 1642. This wheel calculator was into this regular box, also called the Pascal, used for the eight movable dice to add numbers, eight figure turn. Pascal device use a base of 10 to accomplish this of the example and one die move. Okay. As one die move can or one complete resolution, it moves the next dial which represented the turns columns one place. When the 10 dial moves one revolution, the dial representing the 100 place move one notch and so on. The Pascal device could only add a subtract, multiply, addition, while multiply and division operation were implemented by the form and series of the addition or subtraction. How can we calculate the uh, value of Pascal? Where you will see the gate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we have moved the gear. First move the gear is, for example, 8. So value is 8 is here. We have moved the gear 7. Value is 7 is here. And then move the value of third gear. You have see the 5. And then we have moved the gear number 4. Value is 2. And then calculate the value and add the sum. Okay. Now we have start the next Leibniz calculator. In 1620, 1904, a German mathematician and philosopher Georg Wilhelm van Leibniz, 1646 to 1760, improved in Pascal by creating a machine that could also multiply like it. Procedure Leibniz mechanical multiplier worked by the system of gear and dial, partly by the study Pascal organized notes and the drawing. Leibniz was able to refine his machine. Okay, you have seen some gear of the Leibniz calculator. It is a example of slide. machine. You see the slime machine and move the gear. Okay. Next is the earthometer. Earthometer is a, however, would spare adults of the mechanical calculator would have to wait until Charles XY Holmes, the Coulomb Frenchman, invented a machine in 1820 that could perform the four basic arithmetic operations. Coulomb mechanical calculator, the earthometer, presented a more particular with the enhanced arithmetic was widely used until the First World War. Okay, you see the some automated meter here, polarizer, carriage, polarizer, counter, clearing counter, track, setting processor, reversing lever. It is a reverse for the value and addition and subtraction. Okay, next is the Charles Babbage. Long Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is a, in 1822, Charles Babbage invented the very first mechanical computer. His computer name was a different engine. This computer was able to calculate mathematical tables. Charles Babbage gave the basic idea of the computer, so he is called the father of computer. A different engine first created by the Charles Babbage is an automatic mechanical calculator designed to tabulate polynomial function. Its name is derived from a method of the divided difference, a way of the interpolate and tabulate function by using a small set of the polynomial constants. Okay, the analytical engine. You see the analytical engine. Analytical, it was the kind of the general purpose computer and could solve arithmetical problems, but due to some technological problem, this computer was never complete. The analytical engine would be used stream for the power have a strong capacity, memory of 10,000 numbers of up to 50 decimal digits long, and the ability of the process instruction in any sequence or input. The computer would use punch card to enter the machine instruction. Okay, now punch card. A punch card is a piece of stiff paper that can be used for the contain digital data, representing by the presence of the absence of the holes in predefined position. Many early digital computers use punch card as the primary medium for the input of both computers program and the data. Okay. Next is a Hollerith tableting machine. In 1889, an American inventor, Herman Hollerith, 1860 1929, also applied the job room concept to the computing. His first task was to find a faster way to compute the U.S. Census. The previous census in 1880 had taken nearly 7 years to found, and with the expanding population, the so it would take 10 years to found the latest census. His machine, hole closing and electrical circuit. Finally, the input instant mechanical counter and sorter beans and tabulated the appropriate data in the usable usable categories. As a result of use the machine, the 1890 census took only 6 months to compile. In addition to their speed, the punch cards serve as a storage method for data and they help reduce computational errors. Rareth brought his punch card reader in the business world, finding tabulating machine company in 1896, later to become International Business Machine (IBM). IBM abbreviation of International Business Machine. In 1924, after a series of mergers, other companies such as Remington Rang and the Hilarious Machine were the first pair and the amazing cover. In the sensing pairs, several engineering made of the significant advance. Inventor Bush 1890-1974 developed a calculator for the solving different engine. Uh, The machine could solve complex and different equations, uh, com- compare same numbers and their various relationships each other to eliminate the Wilkins John V. Alter. Okay, now here's are the value of abacus. Okay, abacus is it is a Latin word derived from the Greek word apex, which means a calculating table. Okay, it is the first mechanical calculating device. It is used for addition, subtraction, and counting. It is also known as a counting frame. Its invention was 12th century in China. Types of abacus. There are three types of abacus: Chinese abacus, Japanese abacus, and modern abacus. The history of computers stored out about 5 years ago with the birth of the abacus. It is wooden rock holding horizontal wires with the beads stuck on them. When these beads are moved around according to the programming rules memorized by the user, all regular arithmetic problems can be done. John Napier. John Napier was a Scottish mathematician. He created logarithm table to facilitate calculation. He also created a device known as Napier phones. It was designed in the 1612. It was made up of the rod on the stick with the numbers marked on them. It was used for addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Multiply. Slide rule. Slide rule was invented by the William Author in 1622. A manual device used for calculating distances. Its simple form of a ruler and the movable middle pieces. A slide rule, also known as the slide ruler, it is an extremely complex ruler that functions as an analog computer by slide various components whose can be compute product whose logarithm and the result of the trigonometric function. Logarithm calculate the value logarithm multiply. It is used for logarithm multiply trigonometry. Division. How can we divide of the these values? To serve as a mechanical analog computer made of the material of wood, aluminum, plastic, and material. Component, scale ruler, cursor. How can we use the different areas? We have used the finance, science, and engineering. Okay. Pascal calculator is a calculator invented by the Blaise Pascal in the early 17th century. The first operating model called a numerical reed calculator. It was introduced in 1642. This rectangular box, also called a Pascal line, used for the 8 movable dice to the add number up to the 8 figure. The Pascal device used a base on the 10 replacements. This form example as a one dial move to note it and one complete resolution. Okay, home task. Here see the slide and it is a home task develop and learn question and answer of third topics. Develop and solve MCQs of the all third topics. For example, Abacus, Charles Babbage, Napier bonds, and different engine, and Leibniz, Archimedes,